This video shows how to buy shares of Opal Fuels Inc-A, a company in the alternative fuels sector listed on Nasdaq under the ticker Opal. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. Investing carries risks. You will need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker Opal and locate the listing for Opal Fuels Inc-A. Make sure you select the correct Nasdaq listing before proceeding. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Check the ticker shows Opal and that the listing is on Nasdaq. To place an order, tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to commit. Choose Market or Limit options, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor performance. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.